What's up, YouTube? Shay here, and I am back with another video. Say hi, Kate.
Hi.
We just finished shoe shopping for her because her feet grow. If any of you out there know, kids' feet grow like weeds. We got her feet like sized at the shoe store, and I'm just like, when? So that's not why we're here. We're here today because I want you to come shopping with me. We are at the Dollar Tree in Bartlett, and we are just going to look around for some fall stuff. I've been seeing a whole bunch of like DIY videos and a lot of decorate for fall with me type videos, and I'm just like, why don't we do that? And if you don't know me, I'm gonna tell you now, fall is my absolute favorite season, guys. It's beautiful. It just showcases the Most High's wondrous works in the most beautiful ways, and I'm so excited to decorate my home, especially when we're in a time where everything is so heavy. I just like to be light sometimes and, hey, do some things that would make everybody happy. And who doesn't love a shopping trip, especially if we're saving money and we're decorating? So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below any decor items that you think would go well in a home. Okay guys, so already I am seeing some really cute things that I may pick up, and then I may not. It just depends. But it's so cute, and it's so fall. They've already got stuff up for Christmas. They've got stuff for Halloween. But those of you who follow me, you already know that is not what I'm here for. I am here for fall decor. I think I like the microfiber kitchen towel, so I may actually end up getting that. And look at the little straw people. I have no clue what to do with them, but they're so cute. Okay guys, completely unrelated, but I do use facial masks, and normally I get them from Target, and they're like $2 a pop. Look at this. These are the exact masks that I use here at the Dollar Tree. You get two in a pack, right? For $1. At Target, these are like $2 a piece. So, now we know. The sheet masks, Target. Target. And they're at the Dollar Tree. So before you decide to spend a whole bunch of money, Freeman is at your local Dollar Tree. Okay, back on task. All right, guys, I got some really cool stuff in here. Not everything that I wanted to get, but I was able to get quite a bit. So we are gonna go home and just decompress and look at all the goodies I got, and then you can decorate with me. Stay tuned. So we have officially left Dollar Tree. I have so many goodies in here. I did not even spend a lot of money. There are so many goodies in here, and I cannot wait to get home and show you guys. Okay, what's up, guys? So, funny story. I was about to pretend like it was the same day and I was coming home to show you guys all the stuff that I got, but I can't even play it like that. No, it is completely the next day. I got home and just got to doing stuff, and so I just never really did anything. The only thing I did do was take the stuff out of the bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that. So I got this jar, and I plan on putting the rocks in the bottom here, and then these flowers. Now guys, I know these are lilies. These are not like typical fall flowers, but I did decide to just get white because when I say all of the fall flowers were gone, they were gone. So unfortunately, I had to get the lilies, but hopefully the brown in the jar like does something, child. I don't know. Thank you to my lovely daughter. She's opening the blind. Okay, so then I got this. I'm not gonna go in order, by the way. I'm just gonna pick and choose as I go. I got this little thing, and it's so cute. And it's just a little box that says Happy Fall, but this is where we actually like sit down and eat. We do have a formal dining room, which is what I'm going to do when I really, really decorate. So, don't mind this. It used to be, a bathroom decoration, and then we had to move it up here, and I just never finished decorating my dining room table. So there's that. Back to the eat-in kitchen areas. To save on paper towels, I got this little thing. It's really cute. It's just a little box. I am going to undo the knot here and take this out, and I plan on putting these cool napkins that I got from Dollar Tree in there. And they're from Dollar Tree, so I don't have a problem with, purchasing more napkins as it goes. So next thing on the list, I've got 2 of these microfiber kitchen towels. I have a kitchen towel that I use, but these are for decoration only. I do not plan on using these in actuality. And I have this cute little dish drying mat. Maybe the next thing I can do is to clean with me. All right, and then, okay, so I love coffee, okay? So these mugs are not even just for decoration. It's just for the mere fact that I love coffee. And I saw Dollar Tree had some really nice mugs, and so I got them. This gold platter thingamajig, I have a little bit of a clue what I'm gonna do with it. So I bought these little, they're like wicker balls almost, and I bought these. Now I do have some paint. What I plan on doing, I'm going to paint, I think maybe 1 pack of these white, and I'm gonna paint my bowls white. And I'm just gonna put a couple of them in there and then sit them around this way, and maybe put the flower vase on here. I don't know. I have no clue yet, but whatever I come up with, we're gonna do it together, okay? Then I have these, some little maple leaves. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but they're really cute. It's a 50 piece, and it's just a lot of little cute fall colored leaves in here, and we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. Forgive my hands, y'all. They ashy because my hands are in water almost all day. So then I have these cute bowls. Oh, they're so adorable. And I love the leaves. I love how the orange and the reds flow together. It's so beautiful. And what I plan on doing with these, I plan on using these glass plates. So I don't know if you paid attention in my dining room how I have it set up. I have my big bowl. I have my big plate, a small plate, a smaller plate, and then a bowl. So I am going to use my smaller plate to go on top of here. I'm going to X-nay the white plate that I have on there and then just put this on top. So it'll just be orange, blue plate, this on top. I'm excited to do that. I have no clue if I'm going to use, you know, a centerpiece that I'm making in there or if I'm just gonna go buy another one. And last but not least, I do have a DIY, and my daughter actually decided to pick this out. And so we're gonna do something with this home sign and this little tray here. I more than likely, when it gets painted, because I love candles, I'm just gonna sit a candle in there. And then once this is painted, just kind of sit this next to it and put it on my lovely coffee table over there. So that's all we've got from Dollar Tree. I will try a different Dollar Tree, or I might go to the at-home store or Home Goods, and I'm just gonna take a look at what they have for fall. All right, so I cannot wait to get started with decorating. Stay tuned. It is going to be in a different video because what I plan to do is clean and decorate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings. Shalom and barakatah. I'll see you in the next one.